Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this identification red light bar for trailers that are over 80 inches wide. Now this trailer light will function as an identification light bar for the trailers wider than 80 inches. You can see it uses 3 of the Optronics MC series incandescent lights, which are replaceable. We do sell these individual lights separately if you happen to need to replace one. They are part number MC95RB. Now the lights are sonically sealed, waterproof housing, and the lens units are submersible. They do use a durable polycarbonate lens. The bulbs used in these lights are incandescent bulbs that can be easily replaced. And if you notice, the base on this is a stainless steel base, so it does resist rust and corrosion. It is designed to mount to the surface of the trailer. You can see the 2 holes here for mounting. Now the hardware to install it is not included. This is a single wire design. The light grounds through the mounting hardware, and the wire length they give you on this is about 50 inches. This light is DOT, Department of Transportation compliant. It is a P2 or P3 rated light. Now at the end of this video I am going to hook this up to some power to show you how bright the light is. First I want to give you some specs. Power draw at 12.8 volts is 1 amp. Overall dimensions on this, if we do the length, one end to the other is 14.25 inches. The overall height is going to be right at 1 3/16 inches tall, and the depth of it, front to back, is right at 1 5/16 inches deep. Now the distance between these mounting holes, center to center, you can see right there, is going to be right at about 8.5 inches. So what I am going to do is hook this up to some 12 volt power, and we'll turn it on. Now the ground, like I mentioned, it is going to be grounded when you go put your screws through there to mount it. So I'm just going to hook the ground to that. Go ahead and turn on our 12 volt power, and there you can see the 3 lights light up. Go ahead and turn off your overhead lights, and you can see for 3 incandescent bulbs, they give off a pretty good light, pretty bright light. Go ahead and zoom out just so you can see from a distance. There's there's the 3 red lights. Let me hook back up my ground that popped off. There we go. There's your 3 red lights. So we'll go ahead and turn off our power, turn back on our overhead lights, disconnect everything. But that should do it for the review on this identification red light bar for trailers over 80 inches wide.